Let's move on to the next one, which is going to be OP, right? So here we are with the OP coin. Right, so the correction for OP still remains. I just want to dive into the daily time frame. We're really hitting all the notes that we need to hit right now. Okay, you've already made the evening star, as I told you yesterday, and so far you're still looking to correct down here, which is going to be an amazing entry level to the 1.333. So I do hope this level gets hold, because what you're looking forward to the next is going to be a $4 technical target of this place, of this saucer bottom. Okay, all that saucer bottom, break to the upside, come for the retest, boom, and then you're good to go to that level right over there. Okay, it's going to be amazing. All we have to do is wait, and nothing more than wait, because if this retest fails, which I don't think it's going to fail though, then it's going to be bad. I just want to see the EMAs and where you're looking for the EMA. So you can see the 10 EMAs down here. So you're just looking to come down to touch the 10 probably. You've already made the bull cross right here. So it's actually bullish on that level if you look at it that way. And all you might be doing, because you always bounced off the 10 EMA, let me tell you that. Just look at the history of this one. You just went to the upside here, you came down, bounce off the 10, you end up again, came down, bounce off the 10, you end up again, bounce off the 10 here, you're going up again, you might come down and again bounce off the 10, and you're good to go to the upside. Because that's what happens when you make a bull cross. The very first EMA that you always look forward to is going to be the 10. If you lose the 10, then it's the 20. Lose the 20, it's the 55. And if you lose three of them, then that's where you might get the bearish cross and start to actually go to the downside again. So can it hold the 10? That's the question that I want to see answered in the next coming 1 day or 2 day. Maybe today, perhaps you can come down to the 10 and back test the 10 as well. So that's it for this OP. Let's move on to the next one, which is going to be Polkadot.